Most of the work of housewife is to take care of the family.
By staying at home, we can prepare children's school needs, cook, wash, clean the house, and much more. If not mother, who else? For that, I agree.
Even though household matters and training a dog, we don't just stay at home, we can still work to help financial. Why do we help to work? Because as mother we can help with family finances. For that I don't agree with that statement.
Other basic needs, housewives also have good time management, so stress conditions are more controlled.
For work problems, why don't we leave it to a husband who is already working so that we can be more focused?
I don't agree with a thing snake. Leaving everything to my husband because why? We don't know the future like we still have to prepare everything well, both financially and non-financially. Being a career woman doesn't completely leave this house. We can still take care of our children and husband.
So, how do you divide your time?
Taking care of work is already complicated. How about dividing the time to take care of children?
Then, we don't fully take care of the children.
The trick is that we can avoid the principle of being independent but still having a family. When we work, we can entrust the children to the nurse. When we come home, we can still play and chat with the children.